K. Srinivasalu was born 1923, died 1995, Madras. He received Diploma in Fine Arts from the Government School of Arts and Crafts, Madras in 1940, along with classmates K.C.S. Paniker, Paritosh and Dhanapal. Formerly art director at the Besant Theosophical School, Adyar, Madras and officer in charge, Design Demonstration Center, Government of Madras. Srinivasalu was greatly influenced by artists like Jamini Roy and combined it with his own tradition of the Lepakshi style. The usage of tempera is typical to the training that he would have received at the time, which was heavily a derivative from the Calcutta school. He was painting pictures in the Western style, especially the Impressionist, with, of course, a marked individuality. A rich and invaluable experience from which he drew inspiration and developed a style specially suited to his genius, a style that grew out of the folk art of South India. Srinivasulu's works form an important part of the sequence of artists who went on to create the basis for a strong modern art movement in Madras. Srinivasalu had a successful career as the principal at Kalakshetra, Department of Art and an important artist in the 1950s and 60s in Madras. He evolved a new style and technique that satisfied the needs of his creative expression. He started painting on metal foil, where before using the brush, the artist has to use a sharp tool. This can be done only by an artist who has acquired complete mastery of line and who has great courage. This work requires perfect precision and unerring sense of composition and arrangement. Srinivasulu's creative fervor continues to be as intense as ever. He has a remarkable capacity for sustaining the creative passion for relatively long periods, and under its influence, he goes on seeking new modes of imaginative expression. In his personality exists an effective functioning together of tradition and individual talent which is manifested in his work. Srinivasulu's is a fundamentally folk sensibility, and he has captured the true spirit and soul of the art of the common folk of South India. He has fascination for the symbols, myths, popular beliefs, forms of worship and festivals of the common people of the countryside, and as such his work, both in style and theme, is basically folk. Then there came a felicitous development both in his style and in his medium. It was a harmonious blending of the traditional and modern idioms. Some of his paintings in watercolor and crayons done in this style are remarkable for their simplicity, their vibrant colors and their strength and power. The visual and emotional satisfaction they afford is intense. His Life on Earth is one of them, and it has deservedly been acclaimed in the Commonwealth exhibition held in London in 1962. participated in several important exhibitions of Indian art abroad, including Indian Art Exhibition, Washington, D.C. 1947, Indian Art Exhibition in Australia, USSR, Poland, Germany, China, Japan, and also an exhibition of San Francisco, London, Paris. He won lot of awards like Gold Medal, Mysore Dasar Art Exhibition, President of India's Silver Plaque at the annual exhibition of the All India Fine Arts and Crafts Society in 1953, and so many.
For more video, subscribe our channel and switch the bell button all. I hope you like the video. Please like and share. Thank for watching.